okay. We've got the Millennium Falcon to ourselves!
Engineers! Automatic repair engaged.
Automatic repair!
Right pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just opposite that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up and push forward to fly down. Oh, watch it!
Sorry,
This thing look easy, eh?
it's not easy!
Pilot, auto weapons engaged. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Yes, Sam, make the jump to light speed! Ah! Shit!
Oh, God!
Those heavy guys are protecting the train. Take them out. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action.
Oh, shit! I mean, oh dear!
Ah, there it is. After that plane. Pilot brakes. Good work.
Woohoo!
Well, my friends, that could have been much worse.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power up ship. Well, I gravity go axiom. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe I did something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car.
Look, I can fly it now.
The cargo is breaking free. Keep shooting!
Oh my God!
Oh, my friends. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep after the train. Gunship! Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. I have to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry! It's coming down. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost.
I'm boosting already!
I don't believe it, but we made it! Now,
Punch it, Chewie!
great job, my friends. You retrieved 2 containers of coaxium.
Yes!
This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the first order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.